Hey, welcome back to today's video. Like I was telling you yesterday, I'm going to be turning this playroom into an office / playroom space. So I'm just going to be stripping it out and cleaning up this disaster today.
You know the drama is never ending. Don't let it get the best of you. And all the fake.
I am literally about to throw this desk away because I picked it out of the trash months ago and never made it over. And so James gets mad at me every single time because he knows I'm never going to make furniture over. But in the back of my head, I really am going to do it. So shout out to my husband for putting together this awesome IKEA desk for me, and I helped because I'm not good at furniture renovations. On another note, I am finally ready to let go of all the stuffed animals. I'm gonna go ahead and let them choose a couple to keep on their top bunk, and then that's it. These dogs and bears are out of here.
For you now, you got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me, I swear. You would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger. watch me breaking. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. From the get-go, let me be frank, I'm not that complicated. If you need me, what's the use of playing games? No, there's no denying what we want. Just watch me break it. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me.
Today was just me having like the bare bones. I cleared everything out of here and cleaned up, and I got rid of a few things. I'm trying to get their room situated too. So I ended up finding these decor pieces. Oh, this desk is from IKEA. This is a linen tabletop, I think 78 inch. And then these drawers right here are Alex drawers. I got this plant here from Marshall's, and these things from Marshall's too. I just went there, it was my first time there looking around. So if you have any ideas of what you think I should put on the wall, go ahead and let me know. I want to decorate this wall. I know I definitely want at least one big piece up there. I'm new to decorating, so I went in the store. They were having a 50% off sale over in Home Goods, and I about, wait, was it Home Goods? No, Hobby Lobby. At Hobby Lobby this past week they were having a 50% off sale, and my head was spinning. There was so many cute things in there. So because I just didn't have an idea yet, I couldn't purchase anything. So let me know what you think I should put up there. As I said, I want at least one big piece. So I really love like this pink wall in here. I wanted to keep it pink for Jordan anyway because it will be her room one day. So I was going to paint it in the meantime, but I decided to keep it because I think it's really cute and open, and I think the color is nice, and it's like, you know, it's uplifting. So I'm going to keep it in here. So I will see you guys next Tuesday, or no, I will see you guys Tuesday for a video at 5 p.m. And thanks for watching. Bye.